welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, hello, I'm Medhavi and you're watching my Maker, and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below and click the notification bell. So guys, I don't know whether I'm gonna post this video or not, but I'm not feeling good these days. Like, I'm trying to film this video since past 3 to 4 days, but I wasn't able to do so because my energy was somewhere low, I felt. And yeah, like, I was not feeling good to shoot, but today I finally decided to film this out, and because I had to post it. So yeah, today I'm filming this video. So this is just for a note that if you think that my energy is low or something like that, I'm really very sorry. But yeah, but once I start this vlog, I don't think I'm gonna be low at all, because that's what I love to do and that makes me happy. So I don't think I'm gonna be low, but still, if you find me somewhere low or no energy and something like that, please ignore that, and I'm really sorry for that. Anyways, so today I'm gonna answer a bunch of questions asked by you, and I'm gonna answer each and every question I've got. So just wait for a question to come. So I listed them on this paper, and I'm gonna stick this paper over there, and I'll see that and answer that. So don't mind if I look there and then give the answer. Okay. Also guys, I just wanted to show you one very special thing. Like, it might not be special for you, but it's definitely very special for me, and it's this. And I don't have words for this. Like, this is literally so special for me, and thank you so much, Asta. It is made by one of our YouTube family member, and her name is Asta, and I can't thank you enough, Asta, but thank you so much. This brought a very big smile on my face, and that was kind of my dream. Like, I always wondered, all the celebrities and social media influencers having so many fans, making edits for them and all those stuff, and in this world no one is ready to spend even 1 second of their life for someone. And I always wondered that how lucky they are getting so many edits from their fans and all that stuff. And when I saw this, I was in a shock that this is kind of my dream come true, because I always wanted, like, I always wished if someone would do that for me. And it's kind of very weird dream, but yeah, thank you so much for this. This is literally so special for me, and now I cry, so just stop this and let's come to the topic. So the first question of the segment is, what made you start YouTube? And the answer to this is a very detailed one, and actually this is a very good question. So first of all, I love these things. Like, mera phone mein I used to shoot everything, and I just love these things, having interviews and all that stuff. And whenever we went somewhere, I was like, phone nikala, shoot karna start kiya, and गाइज ये कोने में ये है, गाइज यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं है, मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ ये वाला ज़्यादा है, ये सोफ़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है इससे, अरे ये वाले. So I always started vlogging and something like that. Although I never posted that because I didn't have a channel, but I always started that. And whenever I was getting ready or something like that, and whenever I'm doing my makeup, I'm like, so अब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये मस्कारा, इसको हम लगाते हैं तो ये बहुत अच्छा रहता है, so now let's apply it. So मैंने इसको ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया, ये blah blah blah, and I always do this. And then I thought, why not do that? Like, उसको करना मुझे आता था, and I enjoyed doing these things. So I just thought, why not to show my talent and just come on this platform and overcome my talent. And I started this, and I never imagined I would go this long. I just thought to have, like I never thought this. And फिर धीरे धीरे it improved, and धीरे धीरे, if you watch my first vlog, it's a travel vlog, and उसमें मैं जिस तरह से बोल रही हूँ और अभी मैं जिस तरह से बोल रही हूँ, डेफिनेटली आपको डिफरेंस दिखेगा. So that's the only reason why I started YouTube channel. And so the next question is, when did you start your YouTube channel? Okay, I started my YouTube channel about 6 to 7 months. लेकिन फिर मैंने क्या किया, I posted my first vlog, I was happy, and 1 month में मुझे उसमें मिल गए थे अच्छे खासे views आए, like 60, 70 something like that. Okay, and I was happy. I never expect, मुझे लगा था ना वो 5-6 views मिलेंगे, something like that and all that stuff. But फिर मुझे इतने views मिले थे, I was very happy. And फिर मैंने सोचा अब मेरी चैनल बन गई यार, मैं तो फेमस हो गई, अब मुझे सब जानने लगेंगे, मुझसे सब सेल्फीज लेंगे, ये वो. एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट टाइम. एंड फिर मैंने कुछ पोस्ट ही नहीं किया. लिटरली आई वॉज नॉट पोस्टिंग एनीथिंग. मैं तो खुश हो गई थी, बस मुझे तो 60 व्यूज़ मिल गए, अभी तो मुझे ना मेरी लॉटरी लग गई है. एंड मैंने 2 महीने तक कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया. बट फिर ना मैंने एक व्लॉग बनाया, चिट चैट व्लॉग. नहीं देखा तो इस लिंक को दबा के देख लो. बट फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, ऐसे थोड़ी बैठ जाऊँगी तो फिर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ दूसरा तो अपलोड करना पड़ेगा ना. देन आई पोस्टेड माई सेकेंड व्लॉग, चिट चैट व्लॉग, जिसमें मैंने सब कुछ बताया कि क्यों मैं इतनी इनएक्टिव हूँ, क्यों मैं कंटेंट नहीं डाल पा रही हूँ एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. एंड उस वक्त मुझे लगा था कि आई नीड अ कंपेनियन विद होम आई कैन मेक माई व्लॉग्स. बट फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, आई माई सेल्फ इज इनफ. लाइक I don't need anybody to make. I can do it on my own. And फिर मैंने अकेले vlog करना start किया, and they also went good. And फिर मैंने अपना, फिर I was active. फिर I posted one video a month for just like 2 to 3 months. I remember, 3 months. And then I just understood what exactly you have to do when you make a channel. And slowly I understood everything. Like, you have to be active, you have to give your subscribers or content which they like, and फिर ही you're gonna get something. So then I started, and that was the answer to this. So long. Wait, 6 minutes? Okay, so the next question is YouTube gonna be your career? And the answer to this is, it's just that I love doing these things, and that's why I'm doing this. And whenever I see others vlogs, I be happy. So just to make you all happy, कि मैं सोच रही हूँ कि अगर मैं इनके vlogs देख के खुश होती हूँ, तो मेरे vlogs देख के भी कोई, मुझे देख के भी कोई खुश हो सकता है, तो उससे बड़ी बात क्या है. And that's the reason for which I'm doing this. So I don't think YouTube is gonna be my career. Next question is, what's your goal in life? This is again a good question. My goal in life is to complete all my dreams. First of all, कि मैं इतनी इतनी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अरे यार भी है ना, इतनी सहमत कि मैं इतनी सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊँ कि मैं अपने सारे ड्रीम्स पूरे कर पाऊँ. एंड that's my goal, कि मेरे सपने को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पूरा करना, एंड टू complete my parents' dream as well, to make them happy forever. And that's not a fixed goal. Like, मेरा गोल तो यही है कि मेरे और मेरे पेरेंट्स के सपने मैं पूरा करूँ और पूरे करूँ. और So the next question is, who is your inspiration for YouTube? And the answer to this is Ashi Khanna, Guj Unicorn, also known as Mrinal Panchal. and Ashna Hegde. These three girls are my inspiration for YouTube, and they are doing so good on YouTube, and I always get inspired seeing their vlogs. So yeah. And the next question is, what content do you enjoy making the most? Okay, this is a kind of very good question, but I enjoy making those contents which you enjoy seeing. Like, आप मुझे बताओगे वो मैं करूँगी, एंड वो उसी में आई बी हैप्पी. Yeah, that's the only answer to this question. But yeah, if talking about like which kind of channel I'm trying to create, this is a vlog channel, and kind of happiness, entertainment and all that stuff यहाँ पे आपको इस channel पे मिलेगा. And yeah, the next question is, who's your favorite YouTuber? Talking about my favorite YouTubers, there are many. I watch mostly Sen, I watch Ashi Khanna and Good Unicorn, of course. I watch Damn Fam, if you know. I watch Damn Fam vlogs. I really love all of them. Then, okay, I also like Sydney Serena. She's so good. I literally love her. And yeah. The next question is, a YouTuber you want to work with? Oh. I never thought about this, but a YouTuber I wanna work with is Good Unicorn, yeah, or Ashi Khanna. I don't know why am I answering the same answer again, but yes, these both girls are my absolute fave. I love them both so much. Yes. The next question is, when are you posting room tour and house tour video? Oh, I'm so sorry. ये मैंने कब से प्लान करके रखा है, बट मैं सोच रही हूँ कि थोड़ा व्यूज़ और लाइक्स अच्छे खासे मिल जाने दो, एंड अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ व्यूअर्स मिल जाए, फिर मैं वो पोस्ट करूँ, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत मेहनत लगने वाली है. एंड ओके, आई विल पोस्ट दिस सून, डोंट वरी, बिकॉज दोज आर मोस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियोज़. सो मैं उसको बनाऊँगी, जल्दी बनाऊँगी और पोस्ट कर लूँगी. जस्ट वेट फॉर दैम टू कम. So the next question is your favorite Damn Fam member. So if you know me, you know that I am a Damn Fam lover. And talking about my favorites, मैंने आगे जिनका नाम लिया है वही मेरे favorites हैं. Ashi and Bruno, they are my absolute fave girls, and they both were the first ones whom I followed. और मतलब मैं उनको Mrunal Panchal I'm following her since 2018. And yeah, and Ashi Khanna, I just I like her so much, especially on YouTube. So yeah. Next question, your dream destination. Oh, my dream destination is Norway. Like, ये वाला question is the most asked question of this segment. मतलब ये मुझे 5 to 6 लोगों ने पूछा है, and I'm shocked. What? I don't know. I don't want to know my dream destination. Okay, whatever. Just kidding. Don't mind. Okay, next question is, have you ever met your fan and talked to him, her, or taken a selfie with him, her? I haven't got this chance yet. No, I have never. But soon we'll get that due to my hard work. मैं मेहनत कर रही हूँ, guys. I am trying my best on YouTube, and I hope I'll get that soon. And even if I don't get, that's okay. Your love and support on my videos is enough for me. And yeah, although that is also my dream, like it's very weird dream, I know that, guys, please, but still I want that. Not to have a fan, but someone loving me is all what I want, and liking my hard work is. Yeah. Moving to the next question, it's, who is your best friend? Oh, I don't have a best friend. I don't have a best friend. Okay, talking about social media friends, I have many, but real best, I don't have a best friend. I just don't want to talk anything more on this topic. So let's get to the next question. By which app do you edit your videos? Okay, For this, I would like to say I don't use one app. I'd not lie. To be honest, I don't use one app to edit my videos. I use many apps, like according to the video, like which kind of video I'm making and which app will suit that video. I just use that app. I use KineMaster, I use InShot, I use Vlogit, I use Filmora Go, and yeah. So all these are apps I use. अभी तक मैंने जो highest use की है वो KineMaster है, because I thought like all my videos suit that app. नहीं, that app suit all my videos. It's the one and only Ego. So yeah, that's my honest answer. Next question is, why are you so cute? Aw, thanks girl. Thank you for that. I like this compliment. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is white. Simple and sober. And also guys, this month something very special is coming up. Guess what? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. And my birthday is on 18th of July and I'm very excited for that. नहीं इतना तो excited हूँ नहीं, मैंने जितना बोल दिया क्योंकि because of lockdown. But yeah, I'm excited. बर्थडे के लिए कौन excited नहीं होता, सब होते हैं excited. Yes. And see guys, मैंने vlog start कर दिया, फिर मेरी energy वापस आ गई थी, फिर I was happy in my own mood, and you know that Medhavi was back, मस्ती वाली, and you know, yeah, so just as I told you, this makes me happy, and yeah, so I was happy, and I am happy, and I will be happy. Wow, Medhavi. Sorry, bad word. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as I said in my intro. And yes, bye. Abhi blue